Hello guys, today I will make a long form video on my Machinator steamfire. So it's already burning, but I'll not steam this today. I just this is the first steam in what, a week. Yes, and it's nice weather and I'm just sitting here. I will do some math after the lunch today, but now I'm just gonna chill and see how it's not hot yet. I see here, so you can see here, this I made this paper, so because before it was leaking steam there, and I did not want to risk bending this metal piece, so I put some paper there, and now it should be sealed here so it doesn't right on me actually. So right now there's just tons of water just coming out, and when it starts to smoke like steam instead of just this water, then I will oil it, because if I oil it now, the water will go in here and just go in here, and all the oil and the water will just blow up, will just shoot out of this, and because this is also a ventilation shaft for the burner, as you can see. If it the water can run down, drop down and in there and choke the fire, so that's why I'm doing this. This engine has an interesting design because it has the machinery is actually just on the side. It's right on the boiler actually. Now we can hear it start, but it is not next to the boiler, it's like on the boiler, which makes a very compact design, and it's actually little bit harder to fix it. This engine came without this screw, so I manually had to go in here and find one of the longest tools that I have and put the screw so it came out here, and I took these, and I don't know what it's called in English, but and screwed it on. Now I think that it's almost ready actually. That's good. Let's oil it just a bit. This is hard. Okay, right, that you have to do it with the 2 hands. Okay. Now we can see that the water starts coming everywhere. So now it's almost ready. So I'm just gonna write that. Now I'm gonna take this and put it inside there. Okay, like that. Gonna move it around like it was a bit, like that. Now we have steam. Okay, now we're ready to run it. Just gonna like that. Going to so. Don't think that we can run it yet. I'm just removing that. Have you there? Like that while it's running. So now I'm just gonna do that. So now fill it up here. Oh no, actually oh shit, that was very hot. I'm doing this without my handles today for some reason. Okay, I can I can also just I know, I understand. I can just so now smart move. The tablet is almost burned out. Haven't even seen it. Like that. Gonna use this one. Always like what? A very little bit too late, but we can work with that. That's no problem for me. It's already a bit hot, so it doesn't matter as much. Okay. Just gonna okay. Like that. Now it's running. Almost running at least. Running. Yep, that is working. Nice. I put the camera on my phone here, so that's what happened. Okay, now it runs. I love this engine. It's very good. Very good little engine. Got some safety goggles and these on because this chimney constantly throws spits water at me, so yes, slow it down a bit. Or yes, do you remember I talked about this before? Emergency brake. Now I have it running quite slow, for oscillating at least. And you can hear that the chimney is working, which is good. Which is something not all oscillating steam engines have. This one does. That's good. Just gonna show you guys how it's running. I don't know why that or this one is not going. Or it's just running very slowly, so that's actually kind of realistic. Okay, now we can just see that it's kind of losing the steam over here. Slowing down, so I just pull that out, put a new tablet in there. Oh no! Now it's not running anymore, sadly. Wait, hold up. Okay, but now it's just running again, like new. And I installed a timer 23 minutes because I've been running it for several minutes already, and it says that you can run it for 70 minutes, but just in case I'm just running it at 40 minutes. So 23 minutes, I've been running it for a time now. Okay, that's good. That's good speed. I love running my engines kinda slow, even though it says that this is one of the fastest engines on paper, or like newspaper or ad. That was from the 1948 or something like that. Very heavy flywheel, which is one of the reasons that it can run slowly for an oscillating. Actually, so it's kind of hard to moderate with all these things, but this is kind of slow. Paper going strong. burning, good. Having this one ready for when it's almost burned out. Like almost right now actually. Gonna take the speed to go up while I do a little refill in there. No. Yep. This is actually the second best engine I've ever had, if you're judging by ability the features. This is the second best, because I had a Velasco G20 that I found, and then I switched to a John Ericsson. But turns out that one only ran 15 minutes, and the boiler never got enough pressure to power out this. So, but now I love. It's old Swedish engines are a bit charming, so that's why I love just buying Swedish engines, because they are interesting in the design spectrum. So. I think that talks for itself, as this is a great example. John Ericsson as well, but this is just so much better because it can power more even though it's smaller size and bigger boiler. And if there is a boiler explosion, then this is actually not the boiler. The boiler is inside, like here. So it's good anyways. Time for the next one, pretty soon. Let's see. I think that it's kind of funny that they actually patented this speed steam regulator, because I don't think anyone wants to use it, because it is actually kind of crappy, because I've seen a lot of these where this one is broken off, and it's probably just cheaper if you make like the Velasquez, a wheel that you use here, but this one doesn't. This one has here. It's actually very interesting. Yeah, it runs very good. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. If anyone watches, then I'm pretty sure that you also like steam engines, like this one.